whatever reason, when you first walk in this foyer, your eye is immediately drawn to this little coat closet here. But for the most part, that's only a split second, and it does go around to this huge kind of common area. One thing to note, the AC being in the garage, if you will, I'll link some articles and some forum activity in the description below. Please educate yourself. Just the layout of this gathering room, dining room, and especially how this kitchen island is angled, it really makes me wonder how old this plan is. It feels like something from, you know, pretty much the early 2000s. But it does have some pretty decent natural lighting. Overall, the kitchen was on the smaller side, and the pantry was on the smaller side as well. The laundry that goes from the garage inside, it's no thrills, kind of simple, plain Jane, but it's a laundry room and it gets the job done. The one thing you do have to be mindful of is this is a walkway, so you only really have like this side to work with. Bedroom 2 and 3, you can notate the different sizes in them. Bedroom 3 is pretty small. You have the closets with these types of doors. Bath 2 is shared for bedroom 2 and 3, but also would be the main bath for any and all guests. Since the lanai here is off to one side of the home, be mindful how it's kind of fallen with the neighbors. You don't necessarily want to be lanai to lanai. Bedroom 1, aka the master. A pretty good walk-in closet. It was actually pretty spacious. A good sized bedroom itself. What was nice is kind of how this door is angled. You couldn't see directly into the bedroom from like the common area, so that was kind of nice for privacy. Bath 1, aka the master bath. The shower was a good size. You have this vanity was normal. The throne here hiding behind the door, you really don't see that much anymore. Kind of odd if you ask me. I will say this optional bath that they have, what it does is it changes this oversized linen closet and makes it into a shower. It's good work because the walk-in closet in the master is big enough, so just something to note.